Welcome to your ultimate guide to creating a high-converting Google Ads campaign, even if you're starting from zero. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just curious about Google Ads, this video will walk you through every single step you need to launch a campaign that generates real leads and sales. No jargon, no fluff, just actionable strategies you can apply today. Let's dive in and turn your advertising goals into reality. First, open your browser and head to ads.google.com. First, what do you need to do? You'll see a Start Now button. Click on it. As soon as you click the button, the process of creating an ad account will appear in front of you. The process of creating an ad account has started. Now you'll see two options, creating a new ad account or linking an existing one. One important thing to remember is to enter your email ID because your ad account will be created with that ID. If you don't have an email ID, you won't be able to create a new account. Let's click on Create a New Ad Account. The process may take longer because previously we could create a Google account directly, but now, due to Google's updates, you'll need to create a campaign first, and only after that will your ad account be created. After clicking Create a New Campaign, a screen will appear asking for your business name. Enter your business name, for example, Work Smart, and it will automatically be added. Next, it will ask, where should people go after clicking your ad? You can add your website, phone number, or even app download links. For now, let's click on Go to My Website option, then click Next. Now, if you want to link existing Google accounts for future ad management, you can do so or simply click Next. After that, choose your goal for this campaign. To create an effective campaign, focus on the goal that's most valuable to your business. For this demo, let's choose Page View for now and click Next. You'll be prompted to define your audience by adding relevant search themes or keywords that people might use to search for your product or service, like Work Smart Company. You can also select your preferred location and language, then click Next. Important note, currently, this is a demo campaign because Google requires you to create a campaign first to open an ad account. After clicking Next, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will need to add your headlines. You'll notice that all the headlines and descriptions are auto-filled, but you can edit them if necessary. Next, you will need to upload images, logos, and other creatives as required. Once uploaded, proceed by clicking Next. Here, your ad campaign has been completed. Now you'll see the option to set a bid strategy for conversions. You can set a conversion value if needed. Additionally, you can set your cost target, but I will not be setting that right now. I will simply click on the Next button because we are only setting up the account and not yet creating an actual ad campaign. Now you will see the option to set a daily budget. The recommended budget will be auto-filled here. We'll leave it as is and click the Next button again. Next, you will be asked to enter your payment details. It's important to enter your payment details correctly. Make sure to enter real details, not fake ones. Enter your payment account and payment method details, and make sure to select your country, time zone, and location. If you have an offer code, you can apply it here. Once you've entered your details, you'll be asked to create a profile. Click on Create New Profile. Here, select any one option and fill in the required information like your name, address, and PIN code. After filling in your details, click the Create button. Make sure to enter real billing details as they will be used for future reference. Once your billing details are entered, then select a payment method that is available in your country, or you can add UCard. After that, scroll down and you will see an option to choose whether you'd like an expert to assist you via phone or message. If you'd like expert assistance, click Yes, and the expert team will contact you. If you don't want assistance, click No. After making your selection, simply click the Submit button. Once you click Submit, your demo campaign will be complete and the ad account will be created. Congratulations, your ad account is now live. It's an exciting step forward in your journey with Google Ads. However, please note that it may take up to 144 minutes for your ad account to become fully active. During this time, Google will be setting up and verifying your account in the background. Once the process is complete, you'll have full access to explore your campaigns in more detail. This will allow you to fine-tune and make any adjustments to optimize the performance of your ads, ensuring you get the best results possible. Let's dive into the different campaign goals you can choose from based on your business needs. First up, the sales objective. If you're selling a product, whether it's physical or digital, this goal is perfect for you. By selecting this goal, you can create a sales-focused ad campaign designed to promote your product directly to potential buyers. Google Ads will target users who are most likely to convert and make a purchase, increasing your chances of driving sales. You can track conversions and even retarget users who've previously interacted with your ad, further boosting your chances of success. Next, we have leads generation. This goal is ideal for businesses like hotels, schools, real estate companies, or any service-based business looking to collect leads. With lead generation ads, you can encourage users to sign up for a newsletter, request more information, or schedule a consultation. You can capture leads through forms directly in your ads, or you can direct users to your website. This strategy is an excellent way to generate interest in your services and grow your customer base. Next, website traffic. If driving more visitors to your website is your priority, then website traffic is the right goal for you. Whether you're sharing blog posts, articles, or showcasing your products, this goal helps to drive traffic to your site. The more traffic you get, the more opportunities there are for conversions, whether that's signing up for your newsletter, purchasing a product, or simply engaging with your content. Increasing traffic to your site is a powerful way to grow your online presence. Then, app promotion. Do you have a mobile app that you want more people to download? App promotion is the way to go. This goal is tailored to help you promote your app and get more installs. Google Ads will target users who are most likely to be interested in your app, leading to higher install rates. Whether your app is for entertainment, productivity, or anything in between, this goal ensures it reaches the right audience to encourage downloads. Next, awareness and consideration. If you're launching a new product, service, or event, the awareness and consideration goal is designed to help spread the word. With this goal, you can reach a broad audience and generate awareness about what you're offering. It's perfect for increasing visibility, building brand recognition, and ensuring that your target audience knows about your new launch. By using this goal, you can also nurture consideration by encouraging people to explore your product or service further. Lastly, local store visits. If you own a physical store or shop and want to bring more foot traffic, the local store visits goal is ideal. This campaign is tailored to help businesses with physical locations drive more customers into their stores. By targeting people in your local area, Google Ads will show your ads to users who are nearby and likely to visit your store. This is especially helpful for small businesses looking to boost in-person sales and build a local customer base. Each of these goals serves a different purpose, and selecting the right one will help you create the most effective ad campaign for your specific needs. Once you've decided on the goal, you can dive deeper into creating various ad types under that goal, all tailored to your objectives and audience. This ensures your campaigns are optimized for success. Now let's walk through an example of setting up a website traffic campaign. For this, first, you need to select your campaign goal. Since we are focused on driving traffic to a website, we select website traffic as the objective for this campaign. After selecting the campaign goal, you'll now choose the campaign type. For website traffic, we will go with search as the type. This is because a search ad targets users who are actively looking for keywords related to your business. This ensures your ad reaches people who are already interested in what you're offering. Next, you need to add your business website. In this case, let me paste the URL of Demo's site here in the provided field. After that, we'll name our campaign. For simplicity, I'm naming this one Work Smart Demo. Once done, hit the Continue button. Now that we've set up the basic details, the next step is to focus on the bidding option. For a website traffic campaign, we want to focus on clicks rather than conversions. Conversion tracking requires a good amount of data, and when you're just starting out, it's better to concentrate on driving traffic first. Once you have more data, you can gradually optimize towards conversions. If you're unsure about the best bid for your campaign, it's okay to leave the max CPC bid limit option unchecked for now. On initial campaigns, you may not have enough data to know exactly what bid is optimal. However, if you're on a limited budget, you can set a max CPC to control how much you're willing to pay per click. For example, let's set this to $1 as the max CPC bid. After that, hit Next. Now let's move to the campaign settings, where you'll decide exactly where and how your ads appear. Start by choosing the networks. Uncheck the Google Display Network since we're focusing on search traffic, and select the search network so your ad shows directly on Google search results. Next, set up location targeting to avoid wasting ad spend on irrelevant areas. For example, search and select your target country, like the United States, or narrow it down to specific cities like New York or Los Angeles. If needed, you can exclude unwanted locations like Alaska or Hawaii to focus your budget where it matters most. Then decide how you want to target people. whether they're physically present in, regularly visiting, or just interested in your chosen locations. Finally, choose the language your audience speaks. For a US audience, English is pre-selected, making things simple. By carefully adjusting these settings, you'll ensure your ad reaches the right people in the right place, speaking the right language, all while optimizing your campaign for the best possible results. With everything set, you're ready to move on to the next step of your campaign. Next, let's set up your budget and bidding strategy. Your budget controls how much you're willing to spend each day on your campaign. It's a good idea to start with an amount you're comfortable experimenting with, for example, $20 per day, and adjust as you gather. After your budget is set, click Next. Once you've completed the campaign settings, you'll move to reviewing your budget and finalizing the ad copy. Once everything looks good, just hit Publish Campaign. By following this process, you'll create a successful website traffic campaign that drives targeted visitors to your site. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. I'll be back soon with more tutorials, guides, and tips. Until then, keep learning, keep experimenting, and always strive to stay ahead in the game. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.